Hi, I am Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I have a more than 200 days straight 5 to 10 a.m. push-up streak, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. This is July 5th, 2025, and this is going to be day 362 of consistently helping people build consistency. Most people, they cannot be consistent at doing anything, literally anything, is simply because they only have one metric of success. So for example, people going to the gym only to gain some big muscle, and when they don't see any big muscle or they are not patient enough to see the big muscle, they stop doing it. The thing that we want to be having here is to have more than one metric of success. So instead of going to the gym only for the muscle, we also go for the self-discipline, building self-discipline to train ourselves to do the right thing, to exercise, going to the gym, even on the days when our brain tells us to be lazy. Basically winning the internal battle. This way, even if you just manage to go to the gym, actually do your exercising routine, you will perceive it as a win. And when you see it as a win, big chances you are going to show up the next day to get another win, even when you haven't seen the muscle yet. And paradoxically, when you just stick long enough and just do the right type of exercising, well, there's a really high probability of you getting the another results that you want, which is getting the muscle. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For today's day authenticity post, today's memes are posted watching YouTube on your TV post last 24 hours, GMT +7. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I don't have an editor. Thank you.